2010 through 2014 Ford Mustang door repair. So as you can see here on this Ford Mustang, the original insert's coming out. See, it basically just falls off of there. So we take a light to medium duty wire brush and we just remove that remaining adhesive that's dried on there, and it comes off really easy. Then after we get all that removed, I took some compressed air and just blew it off real good to clean it. You could also use a brush here if you needed to. Then I take our Coverlay door insert and test it. This door insert should fit in there really well. Shouldn't see any big gaps or anything like that. So if it looks good, I clean it with a Windex or another ammonia-based cleaner. Clean it really good. I've advanced the video here. Just wipe it down really good to get it ready for the silicone adhesive. Next, I'll apply the silicone adhesive, which we provide. And if it's really hard to squeeze out, you can always warm it up in a cup of hot water. So as you see here, we install it about 1/4 to 1/2 inch from the edge, and then we go down the middle. Now we're ready to place that on our door. You don't have to take the doors off to do this. Some people have done that, but we just fit them on there. Push them in well, and then put painter's tape or masking tape on it to secure that to the door while it has its cure time. And you really need to let it be on there at least about 8 hours. So you want to leave it on for that, and then you can remove the tape. Alright, we've let it cure. Now we're removing the tape, and there you go. You have your new door panel inserts on your original factory door. So it really restores it, gives it a great look. These come in many different colors, so we should be able to match your color well. Just give us a call, and I'll have the phone number and the website listed at the end of this video. So that's your after pictures. And we hope you enjoyed this video. Please call us or go to our website if there's anything we can help you with. Thanks for watching.